Hi, this is Becky from Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're going to make baby Chewbacca. And we're going to start by making his eyes. We melt some white chocolate and put it in our little cake ball molds, and then put a little bit of white chocolate on top of that and put a skewer in. And this Millennium Falcon, I had a mold here, and I just put a little bit of black gel food coloring and mixed it in with the white. And that's how I made that. And then I have two 4-inch round cakes that we're going to carve a little bit around the tops. And then we're going to frost it with some nice chocolate, buttercream. And then this set right here that I'm using is called the Cake Form. And I got it off wish.com, but I've seen them on Amazon as well. And then we put a board in between because that cake form will hold up the top part, and then we're going to pipe on some buttercream on that. And the reason I have a rough layer of buttercream on is because it helps the fur stick on, and so you need something on there to help it stick, otherwise it'll fall off. And after we roughly smooth it over, we're going to use our large Ateco 259 tip to pipe on all that fur. And just going to squeeze and pull and keep squeezing a little bit so that we have some fur that'll kind of hang down and give them that really furry look that we're going for. And then I've kind of marked off on the face a certain section that I want the lighter part of his fur to be, so we're just going to pipe around that. And every now and then you have to wipe off the tip to make sure that you get clean lines every time that you're trying to pipe some more fur on him. I'm going to use some modeling chocolate for his legs and arms, and I'll hold the arms in place by a little skewer also. And it's light blue just because I had another project I was working on, so it's going to be all covered up anyway with the fur. So we'll just position him how we want, and then we're going to pipe right over these. And then we're going to use our offset spatula to define those arms a little better. That way you can see right where his arms are supposed to be settled in. And then we're going to use our basket weave tip to pipe on this orangey red color for his strap that he uses to hold his bullets, I believe, in the movie. And so I'm just going to give him a little strap here, and then we're going to add a few little silver bullets on it for him. And with the Wilton 233 grass tip, we're going to pipe on the front part of his face. And I've also marked off where I want to place his eyes too. And that'll make it easier once I get to the eyes. Now, certain parts you just want to pull the fur all the way across the face to create more of his facial expressions and features that you kind of see in the movie. So I kind of drape it, apply pressure the whole way as I pull it right across his face here. And I'm going to use a little bit of black here for his mouth, and then I'm going to get out a larger writing tip for his nose, and then I'm just going to position it right there and pipe on his nose. Now we can get his white chocolate eyes out, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the skewer to go directly into his head, a little bit in a downward motion, so that it doesn't fall out with gravity. Now I'm just filling in some of those gaps around the eyes with some more of his facial hair here. Now we're going to pipe right onto the eye with the black, and we're going to make a nice hard black circle here. And then after we're done with that, we're going to get out our white and finish off his eyes. And then we can place his little toy Millennium Falcon right where he can get it, right around here. And that's our baby Chewie. Thanks for watching.